Negotiations don't have to be all about power and confrontation. The fact is, most negotiations, even in formal high-level corporate settings, generally stay on the positive, constructive side because that is the best way to keep moving forward towards an agreement that's going to satisfy both sides. Hi, I'm Sven Mulfinger, serial entrepreneur with over 30 years in experience in complex negotiations with investors, clients, suppliers, and team members. The key to keeping negotiations positive and constructive is to understand a specific set of tactics called collaborative tactics. These tactics are designed to build trust and find mutually beneficial solutions. And here are some good examples. The first one is called the trial balloon, and it goes something like this. What about this idea? I agree to take delivery a month later as long as you will deliver directly to all my locations. The trial balloon is designed to get the conversation started by suggesting a theoretical solution based on possible concessions by both sides. It may not reflect the final solution, but it gets things headed in the right direction. However, trial balloons are sometimes designed to tempt you to give concessions without receiving anything in return, something you should never, ever do. Focus on using them to invent options for mutual gain. Always explore, but never agree to that first trial. You may end up with something even better if you keep asking questions. You can try something like this. Well, that might work, but taking delivery a month later may cause me some problems. Will you expect us to also delay our billing by a month? We will still need the cash flow on the front end to scale up the logistics. Here's another one I bet you heard before or have used in the past. I'll give you 10% of the price, then we will double the order. We call this if-then. The emphasis is on suggesting a possible solution where both sides give a little to get a little. This tactic is actually a cornerstone of all effective negotiations. If-then is how concessions are traded, ensuring that you never give a concession without getting one in return. It is an exploratory tool to compare items that are low cost to you but are high value to the other party. When dealing with if-thens, make sure you focus on the other party's perception of what is valuable and focus on interest to exchange mutually beneficial terms. For example, are you saying that double the order at that price will give you the value you want out of this deal? The last one is a little bit more subtle. We call it the soft touch, and it goes like this. I really want to do this deal because your firm is my most valuable supplier, but your shipping costs are just too high. Is there some way that you can help me out? The soft touch pays you a sincere compliment based on an existing collaborative relationship, but then leverages that relationship's history, hoping you will be willing to give an old friend a break. We have this in the collaborative tactics category because it is generally used in a positive, constructive way, but it can be a little bit manipulative. Just remember that you are never obliged to grant concessions on the basis of friendship alone. Instead, explain how the business relationship is designed to benefit both parties. Focus on how the value-added services your firm provides improves their bottom line. Stress that you're also interested in a long-term relationship and that their interest in your product will help meet their product needs. You may try something like this. By charging our standard delivery cost, we can guarantee timely delivery of our product and therefore reduce your downtime and any additional costs that might arise as a result of that downtime. Can you see how that will benefit your organization in the long run? With over 3 decades of experience working with both multinationals, corporations and startups, I have dedicated my career to helping organizations achieve their essential business goals through the mastery of negotiation skills. Where understanding the theory is fundamental, the true path to becoming a negotiation expert involves consistent practice and refinement through role plays and constant feedback. If you're eager to enhance your negotiation skills and receive executive coaching that can empower you to thrive in your career, I encourage you to click the link below or contact me on LinkedIn to learn more about how I can assist you in conquering your challenges and achieving your business goals today.